You wake to cold metal pressed under your jaw, breath hovering inches from your face, the room silent except for a fan ticking every 3 seconds, and you do not move because movement is decision, and decision is measured here. And 3 years earlier, you had signed a paper you never read in a white room humming at 60 hertz, where they stripped you down to a number, taught you to speak in controlled tones, to hold eye contact for exactly 3.5 seconds, to sleep 4 hours and function on command. And over 214 days inside the cartel, you learned that promotion is never given, only tolerated, that routine is survival, that every face is a file and every mistake is recorded. And when your handler stopped responding after exactly 48-hour intervals, you understood you were alone, but you adjusted nothing immediately because delay signals discipline, and the system you serve never rewards speed, only consistency. So you continued until they brought you into a colder room, around 16 degrees, placed a weapon in your hand, and tied your